Raj. Eyes on the target and fire!
I can do it. I can do it. Oh, I think I can do it. Let's go. That wasn't me.
Hey, are you kidding me?
Sorry, Sammy. I shouldn't have started with a bow. Look at my super duper dagger. Ha! Ha!
Attention! Pull yourself together! Imagine your rival!
Yeah, who's the strongest here? Ha ha! Gotcha!
Oh my feta! Raj, we can't make a ninja out of you!
But I have skills! I can fight using several tools! Yeah!
We'd better start with something easy.
Okay. And... whoosh! Oh, come on! Ugh!
You definitely need lots of practice.
I'm just tired, Sam. Can I have a rest?
Then let's watch how to make ninja weapons!
Okay, so if you want to become true ninjas, you need special weapons first. Let's get to it.
Whee!
These triangles turn into sharp knives. Shing, shing, shing.
Are you trying to frighten me? It'll be the other way around.
You only have one, and I have 10 knives. Huh? What will you say about this?
No, watch me. Hold on. Give up, little human. Ha! Ha!
Ha! You can't win.
Phew! We won't finish our ninja craft this way.
Come on, just a couple folds left.
Careful! You're gonna make a mess! I'm warning you.
Aha! Check this out. My ninja skills are working. Whatcha?
Yeah, I'll show you the right way to use them. Haha, look.
I'm not idling my thumbs either. Watch me. Aha! The most important part is to assemble everything.
You won't get it done without me, the world's best ninja coach. Hi-ya!
I won't argue with that, or we won't finish at all. And... oh! A return mechanism is attached. Coach?
Don't bother me. Ninja coaches are very busy. Ah! Danger!
Sammy, come back. I was kidding. Let's get things done. I need your help.
Then hurry! And no rest, no snacks, and no calls or texts to Sue.
What's wrong with Sue? I don't call her that often. Would you people like to see Sue and I crafting together again? Give us a thumbs up, then.
Who knows? You could nag her about my training methods. I'm watching you.
Me? Never. Although the ninja code allows that.
All right, you've made your choice. Do it well then, Roger.
Sammy, you'd better check out this smooth bend we got. What do you say? Oh, and by the way, could you find an arrow? I have nothing to shoot with here.
Done! Have I ever failed you, huh? Ah!
Great. My turn now. I'll coach you in running.
Wow! Missed me. Go back to crafting, Raj. Huh? Huh? Huh?
On it, boss. I'm actually swamped in work here.
So, what's this? An airplane, a boat, or a hat? Tell me already.
What if I finish all by myself? You make a headstand for, let's say, 30 seconds?
I'll do it for 30 minutes, and you won't last alone.
Deal then. Watch me.
I can stand all day long. Yeah, just pump my slime muscles.
There. Look, I'm almost done. Can you guess what this is, huh? Where's your great slime intuition?
I lost it, but I'm trying to find it.
Wait, I need this right now. Aha! Now I have strong metal claws. Grr, grr, grr.
Fellows, it's time for Roger's training. Then we'll come back. Ah! Hey, I've lasted like an hour already. Roger, I'm tired.
No way. It was just about 10 seconds. You said half an hour at least. Oh, Sammy, hold on.
Help me, I can't do this anymore. The true ninjas don't do this.
I'll remember that. Now let's get to the true ninja business. Check out what I've got.
What's this? I can't figure figure it out, Roger.
I'm making a blade for a folding knife. Move, Sammy, go, go!
The main character should be in the frame.
What if someone jumps at me behind the corner? I have to get ready.
Let's put you to the test. Here I am, an evil stranger. Fight! Hey!
It's unfair, I wasn't ready. I mean, my folding knife wasn't ready. Come on!
What can I say? The evil stranger couldn't wait. We'll see who's the strongest now.
Wait! Hold on. Defend yourself. Ah!
Haha! What are you gonna do now, huh? When I've got you and your paper weapon.
I'll make another origami that'll be a much cooler battle tool. We, the true ninjas, should be able to learn fast and find a substitute for any weapon.
Aren't you afraid that somebody will jump at you while you're crafting? Huh? Huh?
You'll protect me, right? You're such a strong ninja after all.
They won't stand a chance. Although having a ninja folding knife by my side feels better.
Look, I'm using ninja speed to make things faster. Ha! It worked!
Hey, don't get distracted. A new super duper weapon is waiting. Keep going.
Do you think I forgot about it? I can craft and talk simultaneously, you know? Huh, not bad.
Whoa, can you do this? Balance a cup and not spill anything out?
I could handle an empty cup too, Sammy. Don't try to prank me. I see right through you. Can you do this? Check out my powers.
Yeah, cool. Can you assemble this though?
Let's see. Sure, follow me. I don't even need a manual. And the last step is to attach a handle like this. Can you do this, Sammy? Try it.
Well, anyone can do that, Raj.
Okay, at least I'm good at crafting. Check out this, newbie.
Every rookie can shoot with paper balls, Roger.
I'm not making that, buddy. You get shocked. This will scare all my enemies away. Ha! Give me some time to finish, and you'll see who's the boss here. Now, Sammy the Spookiest, you'll be defeated.
Ah! That wasn't as strong as I imagined.
I was only distracting you to prepare this.
Oh, Raj, you're so bad at distracting. You could have made me comfy, given me some snacks.
Ah, I could use some snacks too.
Don't lose your grip, Raj. Turn back to our ninja training session.
I need some weapons for it. That's why I'm crafting this. What do you think? Huh?
Weapons are not that important for real ninjas.
Wait till I show you this trick. Bam! And a slingshot is ready. Let's test it out on a master.
I need a break from ninjas. Fellows, stay tuned. I'll be right back.
While Sam is busy, I'll tell you about my ninja path.
Roger, you made a mess. Check out what I found.
Oh, it's my gift for you. And a couple more is on their way. I'll finish them up, and in the meantime, you can look around. Oh, that was fast of you.
I didn't find any other paper hats, but look at this.
Oh, so now I have a cool double dagger. Great! A teacher at my ninja school has something similar. He taught me how to spin it. Here!
Okay, I'll return it when you're finished, Roger.
As you wish. I'll get it done quickly.
What is this? Ooh, I have supervision.
So how does a fast-moving weapon sound to you? Wait till you see it in action. Just watch closely.
Ouch! Then I'll check your skills a bit later, after you're done.
Oh, this won't take long. Wow, look, no tricks, just a sleight of hand. Thanks to the ninja school.
This looks like the disc we made at the very beginning.
Yeah, they're similar, but this one is smaller, hence faster.
Let's hope it didn't break anything. I'll check.
There wasn't any troubling noises, so I have some faith. Oh, now I'm going to draw a bit.
Raj, what are you doing? We're making origami!
Okay, I was just testing you. Whoosh, here are the blades. Let's glue them together.
Want a medal for your efforts?
Thanks, I'm so grateful. How was my speech?
Touching. When you're done, you'll get another trophy for this championship.
It's time to go faster. Check this out. I was working so quick. Do I deserve another medal?
Keep going and stay focused. Take this.
My super ninja blade is almost done. I'll defo ruin my rivals with it.
Crafting is easy. You should train yourself to mind control it.
Huh, I guess I should have made it sharper. Maybe I can use the warrior's old methods. Shink, 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 shink.
Oh, my feta. Raj, you gotta be kidding me.
Sammy, I was playing around. And for this craft, I have another trick. Boom! Do you like it, Sammy?
But you forgot one piece.
Oh, it's a bullet. Thanks, Sam. I'll use it in a sec. Ugh, yay! Let's test his new weapon and see how you would like it, friends. Whoa, cool!
Raj, we're moving to the next level. Aim at the cup.
I'm ready, and shoot!
You made it! Yay!
Hahaha, I'm a master now, and I claim this blade as mine!
Wow, Roger. Whoa, what is this?
Let me see. Ah, I can't believe it! Oh, my hands are shaking! They've accepted me to the Ninja Championship! It's the best news! I'll get a trophy!
No time for partying. We have to train more.
Yay! Beware my enemies!
Look at him. I have a lot of work to do. The workouts can't wait.
Wow! Subscribe to our channel, people! See you very soon! Ouch!
Attention!
Yes, Master Sam! I'm coming! Bye, all!